Again, you're welcome to another math class. Here we have this challenge here. It's a simple exponential challenge. The question is 5 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 2 to the power of 3x. What is the value of x here? So this is pretty easy if you are acquainted or familiar with some laws of indices and that of logarithm. So we're going to use these two interchangeably or together. We're going to use this. So get our solution. So the value of x here is x. Now we just have to rewrite this left hand side and this other side. Let's just keep it like this. So we're applying the law which says that when you have your a to the power of your m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Okay, so this is going to give us our 5 to the power of x times our 5 to the power of 1 equal to 2 to the power of 3x. Easy. All right, now we want all the terms having x at the exponent to be on one side. And so we want to cancel out this. So we're going to divide through by 5 to the power of x. We equally divide this by 5 to the power of x. So this and this will leave. So we have 5 is equal to our 2 to the power of 3x, then all over our 5 to the power of x. Good. Let's turn this expression in other words. Let's move this to this side, move this to this side. And rewrite these powers here, or this expression we have here. We know that if you have your a to the power of m all over your b to the power of the same exponent, this is a all over b all raised to the power of m. So if we rearrange, we're going to have here 2 to the power of 3, okay? Then all over 5 all raised to the power of our x is equal to r5. Easy. So at this point, we just have to either take log to base 10 or we ln both sides of the equation. So let's take our ln. So we're going to have here the ln of bracket open 2 to the power of 3 all over 5 close bracket all to the power of x is equals to the ln of our 5. Let's put this in bracket. So here comes the property of logarithm we're going to apply. We call it the power law of logarithm, which says that when you have the ln of your a to the power of b, move this b back here. So this is going to give b times the ln of a. Okay? So with this, we can rewrite this. We want to move this exponent back here. So we're going to have x times the ln of bracket open 2 to the power of 3 all over 5 close bracket is equals to the ln of our 5 close bracket. What do we do next? It's pretty easy. So let's divide through by the ln of our bracket open 2 to the power of 3 all over 5. So if we do that, we're going to have here our x will now be equal to the ln of our 5 all over the ln of our bracket open 2 to the power of 3 all over 5 close bracket. Here we apply another law of logarithm. We call it the division law, which says that when you have your ln of bracket, your a dividing b, this is equal to the ln of a, then minus the ln of b. Okay, so we can rewrite this, right? So this is going to give us the ln of our 5 bracket all over the ln of 2 to the power of 3, then minus the ln of our 5 here. Okay, so applying the power law, this is going to give us our x will now be equal to the ln of 5 bracket all over 3 times the ln of our 2, then minus the ln of our 5 close bracket. Okay, so to get the numerical value, you put this in your calculator, when you simplify, you have a numerical value. And when you put the numerical value into this system, that's going to give you an approximate value or approximate answer. So this is the final answer to our challenge. So this brings us to the end of this class. If you have a question with regard to this, drop it in the comment section. We meet with you there. Thank you for watching Online Maths TV. We see you in our next class. But till then, keep winning. Bye for now.